Hey, I'm Patrick with my partner Miguel, and we're going to be teaching you today about the chemistry behind cooking mashed potatoes and steak. And here we've started the process of making the mashed potatoes. We're boiling them right now. Boiling the potatoes is an endothermic reaction because you're putting heat into the potatoes and then all the chemicals in the potatoes start to speed up, and it's like a chemical change, and all the starch breaks down, and so the potato softens and it becomes easy to mash.
Once we finish boiling the potatoes, we're going to move on to this bowl and we're going to start mashing them. I don't think we should get this in.
No, I think it's good. It's fine.
You just want me to mash them with that?
Alright,
Mash them?
and now we begin mashing the potatoes.
Just say the chemistry behind it.
Mashing the potatoes is an example of a physical change because the potato goes from this round block to just a pile of mush, really. Now that we're done mashing the potatoes, we'll begin creating the actual mashed potatoes with butter and milk. So first we're going to take half a stick of butter, which is equal to 4 tablespoons. So about a tablespoon of butter per potato. There's 4 in there. Alright? We're just going to kind of drop that in there. And then 1 cup of milk. And begin mixing. This is an example of creating a homogeneous mixture. These potatoes are going to be really creamy, by the way. Like, really creamy. In fact, we might have made them too creamy. Okay. Now that we're done mixing the potatoes, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon pepper. At least this is how my mom makes it. You don't have to make it like this, but it's good. Okay? And then 1 tablespoon of salt. Oh, I just salted my foot. Alright, hang on.
I'm pretty sure that's enough. You'll leave one.
And mix all that in.
It's
And this creates a heterogeneous mixture because you can see the lemon pepper, and so you can tell where it's two different things coming together to form one thing. So now that we're done with the potatoes, we're going to start on the steak part of the project. And to start, we're going to season the steak with a mixture of salt, garlic, black pepper, and ground mustard. So here's that. Alright. This creates... No, we just gotta spread it out, okay? This creates a heterogeneous mixture on the surface of the steak, as you can see by the seasoning being separate from the steak. Just spread that out. Alright,
now we're going to light the fire.
Alright, now we're going to put the meat on the grill. Once the meat is on the grill, an endothermic reaction begins in the meat as the heat from the grill goes into the meat. And then, as you can see, after I flip these over, that the meat has turned brown. This is an example of the browning effect, which is when the proteins in the meat begin to break down and the meat changes color, and it's called the browning effect.
Stop, guys, stop.
As you can see by the meat on the grill, the browning effect has begun. The browning effect is when the proteins in the meat begin to break down due to the heat from the grill going into it, which is an endothermic reaction. Alright, and once you're done cooking that steak, take it off the grill, put it on a plate, and bon appetit.